Join me as I dive into the 10 secrets to teenage investing that nobody wants you to know, and see if I can uncover them all. Investing as a teenager, it's not just about making money, it's about building a financial future that'll set you up for success. With the world becoming more financially aware, it's time to take control of your financial literacy, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm sure many of you have thought about investing, but may not know where to start. You might be thinking, investing is only for adults, or I don't have enough money to invest. But the truth is, investing is for anyone who wants to take charge of their financial future, regardless of age. The misconceptions surrounding teenage investing are endless, and that's exactly what we're going to tackle first. The biggest misconception is that you need to be an expert to start investing. Newsflash, nobody starts out as an expert. We all begin somewhere, and the sooner you start, the better. Another common challenge is access to resources. How are you supposed to learn about investing if you don't have anyone to guide you? The good news is that there are so many online resources available, from blogs to podcasts, that can help you get started. And then there's the fear of failure. What if you make a mistake or lose all your money? Let me tell you, failure is an essential part of the learning process, and it's not the end of the world. In fact, it's often the best teacher. The last major hurdle is the lack of motivation. You might be thinking, why bother investing now? I've got my whole life ahead of me. But the truth is, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. And trust me, compound interest is a powerful thing. So let's get started with the 10 secrets to teenage investing that nobody wants you to know. Firstly, it's essential to understand your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable taking risks, or do you prefer to play it safe? Knowing this will help you decide which investments are right for you. Secondly, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio is crucial to minimizing risk. Thirdly, start small. You don't need to invest a lot of money to get started. And lastly, be patient. Investing is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. One secret that's often overlooked is the power of dollar-cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, you can reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Another secret is the importance of having a long-term perspective. Investing isn't about making quick profits. It's about building wealth over time. And then there's the secret to using tax-advantaged accounts such as a Roth IRA to maximize your returns. Out of all the secrets, I think the most impactful one is the power of compound interest. It's incredible how much your money can grow over time when you start investing early. For example, if you start investing just $100 a month from the age of 15, you'll have over $150,000 by the time you're 65. That's the power of compound interest. It's not about the amount you invest, it's about starting early and being consistent. In conclusion, the key to successful teenage investing is to start early, be patient, and stay informed. Don't let misconceptions hold you back from building a financial future that'll set you up for success. Remember, investing is not just about making money, it's about taking control of your financial literacy. If you've got any investment experiences or tips that you'd like to share, please comment below. And if you want to learn more about financial literacy, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 books every teenager should read to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.